Dogecoin cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here will fundamentally give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for Dogecoin in a significant way. The Dogecoin in a real sense has in no time acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers most certainly are interested in looking through the inquiries. Like all things considered, is Dogecoin an excellent venture? Is Doge worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely huge? What will really be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030? How kind of high could Dogecoin at any point go, which fundamentally is very huge? Our aid will essentially provide you with a thought of the Dogecoin expected development and its cost expectation, all from pretty profound specialized investigation to central genuinely past cost diagrams. Dogecoin genuinely past value examination amazingly. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Dogecoin is 7 cents and Doge is at present essentially position number 9 in the whole crypto market in a huge way. The flow supply of Doge is 132,670,764,300 with a market cap of $10,296,001,976 in most recent 24 hours, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost has shown a decent increment of 3.57% as of now, or so they for the most part thought. From especially most recent 7 days, the Dogecoin was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 19.22% in an unpretentious manner. Doge has shown areas of strength for truly, and this could be most certainly great chance to dive right in and sort of contribute. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Doge has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, wiping out an incredible certainly normal cost of 1 cent from its kind of current cost. This unexpected descending development implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, and it can for the most part be a decent by and large purchase and open door for truly speedy interest amazingly. The 90 days cost change is near 1.10%, and the cost truly circled from a by and large least genuinely normal worth of 7 cents to extremely greatest truly normal worth of 8 cents in the beyond 90 days in a genuinely huge manner. Dogecoin in a real sense is somewhere around 8.28%, with the most extreme truly normal cost of the coin was around 8 cents and the fundamentally least certainly normal cost of truly was around 8 cents in every way that really matters. Recent months, or so they explicitly thought. Dogecoin value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We for the most part anticipate future Doge cost expectation. Dogecoin conjectures by applying in every way that really matters. Profound truly fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Dogecoin. We do our actually awesome to fundamentally gather greatest verifiable information for the Dogecoin, which by and large incorporate numerous variables like commonly past value, market cap, volume, and that's just the beginning, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming that you in a real sense are hoping to put resources into digital money market, by and large try to in every practical sense read our forecasts, or so they thought. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture. In 2023 the cost of Dogecoin especially is supposed to in a real sense reach at a genuinely least value level of 7 cents, which really is genuinely critical. The Doge cost can arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of 8 cents with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging cost of 8 cents in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin value expectation for 2024 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of Dogecoin is anticipated to reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of 12 cents. The Doge cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 14 cents with the kind of typical exchanging cost of 12 cents. Dogecoin value figure 2025 to 2026. The cost of Dogecoin basically is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of 17 cents in 2025. Which essentially is very critical. The Dogecoin cost can for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 20 cents with the kind of typical cost of 18 cents all through 2025. The cost of Dogecoin is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach at an exceptionally least degree of 25 cents in 2026. The Dogecoin cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 30 cents with the typical cost of 26 cents all through 2026, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Doge value expectation for 2027 Dogecoin cost by and large is gauged to fundamentally arrive at a very the least degree of 38 cents in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could especially arrive at a most extreme degree of 43 cents with the typical figure cost of 39 cents, or so they thought. Doge value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Doge. In 2028 the cost of Dogecoin generally is estimated to be at around a base worth of 56 cents in a significant manner. The Dogecoin value worth can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of 65 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 58 cents in USD, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Dogecoin fundamentally is supposed to especially reach at the very least degree of 81 cents in 2029 in a significant manner. The Doge cost can arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of 0.95 with the typical cost of 83 cents all through 2029 in an especially significant manner. Dogecoin value expectation. Conjecture for 2030 according to the figure and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Dogecoin truly is supposed to reach at a very least value worth of $1.21. The Doge cost can arrive at a truly greatest value worth of $1.42 with the typical worth of $1.25 in an essentially huge manner. Dogecoin value expectation for 2031. The cost of Dogecoin is supposed to fundamentally reach at in every way that really matters, least worth of $1.77 in 2031 in a significant manner. The Dogecoin cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $2.11 with the really normal exchanging cost of $1.84 all through 2031 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value expectation for 2032. Dogecoin cost generally is gauged to sort of arrive at a flat-out most reduced in every way that really matters, conceivable degree of $2.62 in 2032. Which explicitly is genuinely huge. According to our discoveries, the Doge cost could arrive at a very greatest conceivable degree of $3.14 with the truly normal gauge cost of $2.69. What by and large is the Dogecoin cost today in a significant manner. Today the cost of Dogecoin especially is 0.078 with the market cap of $10,296,001,976.000. What will be the Doge practically the most noteworthy especially anticipated cost for 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The most elevated determined cost for Doge by and large is supposed to basically arrive at a kind of greatest worth of 8 cents toward the finish of 2023. What will be the Dogecoin certainly the most noteworthy certainly anticipated cost for 2024, as opposed to prevalent thinking? The practically the most noteworthy estimated cost for Doge basically is supposed to generally arrive at a greatest worth of 8 cents toward the finish of 2024 in a quite huge manner. How high can Dogecoin go? Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The genuinely normal cost of Doge could in every way that really matters reach to 8 cents before the current year's over, or so they thought. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it explicitly is assessed that the coin will effectively sort of come to the 39 cents mark in an unpretentious manner. How particularly will Dogecoin certainly be worth in 2030, or so they really thought? As far as cost esteem, Doge by and large has a remarkable kind of potential to reach new ATHs in a significant manner without a doubt. It in every practical sense is gauged that Dogecoin will increment in esteem, which is very critical, as per numerous specialists and business experts. Doge can especially raise a ruckus around town kind of conceivable cost.